This is going to be another video of a Windows 10 installation over Windows 7. This machine is a corporate machine that I have had for a long time. I do not know if this is going to accept the install because of the key that is on here. I'm going to find out in a little while. Okay, so what you do is you click on the upgrade this PC. I could do I could do this thing over here, which is how I got my file. But I'm just going to upgrade the PC. As long as you're doing this on Windows 7 and you have a good key, it will upgrade and it won't wipe anything out. It's not called a clean install, it's called an upgrade, where it will keep everything and it will do the upgrade. When you get to the point where it's going to do the upgrade, it will ask you if you want to keep everything, if you want to wipe everything out, and I think it lets you know I believe it lets you know what it might have problems with, maybe not. So I'm going to click on Next to upgrade the PC. I just did one yesterday. It took me about an hour and 15 minutes. I did another one a couple days ago, and it took me about 2.5 hours. So this thing's going a lot faster than I thought, but I don't know if it's going to take, I don't know if this is going to be the fastest install or not. So what did I say? We started this about 37. This is maybe 9 minutes, 10 minutes in. I can look at the camera shows I've been going for 12 minutes. I don't know if the battery is going to last for the whole install or if I'm going to need to switch batteries. We'll find out. If you like my videos, I don't know that anybody's even listened this far. If you like my videos, my channel, thumbs up, subscribe, like, share. You want to support me, ask my PayPal info. Somebody just did that. They gave me $5. Thank you very much. And if you don't do that, but you shop on Amazon, just go to any of my videos, click on the affiliate link. It will take you straight to Amazon. And that's all it does. And then when you put your order in, I'll get like a fraction of a cent or something for the order. I look at some of the stuff that's on the tube, and I look at these people that have 2 million subscribers, people that sit in a restaurant and eat massive amounts of food in a timed period. They have millions of subscribers. They are eating food. They have millions of subscribers. There are people that fix air conditioners, and they show how they fix air conditioners. Yeah, it's interesting. They got hundreds of thousands of views. They go up on a roof and they fix an air conditioner and people watch it. People who unplug sewer lines and they find a piece of corn on the ground all the time. Millions of views, making a fortune off of their videos. People that have tow trucks, dropping the tow line and rescuing a vehicle, making a fortune on the tube. What else is on there? People that cook. Now, a lot of these people, not all of them, but a lot of these people, I'm sure they are paying somebody to edit their videos, do the really nice graphics, manage them, promote them, and whatever else they're doing. They've got great lighting, good cameras, lots of money invested. They spend tons of time on this. I spend a lot of time on my channel. I do it for fun. Yeah, the side benefit of a few dollars is kind of nice. But if I didn't get that, I would still do it. I think a lot of people do. A lot of these people are doing that because it becomes their personality, their fame, internet fame. We didn't have that like 30, 40, 50 years ago. There was no such thing as internet fame. Here we go. Install Windows 10 Pro. So I did put Pro on here. Keep personal files. You can click on the change what to keep if you want to. I'm not going to do that. So this whole thing, 30 minutes to get to this point of install. And now, let's go over to this part of the screen without breaking anything. Sorry about the reflective light over there, but 40, we're only at 40 minutes, no, we're 40, yeah, we're at about 40 minutes, maybe 43 minutes. 95, when it gets to 95, it's going to reboot. There it is. Your PC will restart in a few moments. I wonder what happens if you click cancel. Does it just revert? Does it go backwards? Down. Now, when it starts up, we see on the bottom it says Windows 7 Ultimate. And remember when I started this thing up for the install, it says it was going to install Windows 10 Pro. It makes the I don't even think you put a key in there. You do something and it gives you a higher version. Okay, so I've got my HP, my booting up. Now we should have the loading thing over here. Starting up with all my drives. I think we're going to get the loading part. There it is. Loading files. That was 2 seconds. We got the Windows 10 thing. Now, let's go move the tripodal back over to the center of the screen. If I can do that. This is blue, but the light is so bright in here right now. I don't know if you're seeing a dark or a medium blue. So Windows 10, we're at this point maybe at about 50 minutes, 53 minutes. Now it's got to go through this nightmare. 7 minutes. I was away for 7 minutes. We see a reboot, and I think it's done. It was still sitting at 27%. I don't know, or about 29%. Sweaty and warm. So 100%. There we go. Finally. I'm hoping that I get the Windows 10 thing, Windows 10 logo, and then we're done. I'm going to move the mouse. What I would normally do is I would say, oh, okay, it's still doing something. Because they don't tell you anything, unlike Windows 7 where you got the password box showed up. It doesn't do that on Windows 10. You have to touch the mouse or click the Enter key, and there it is. I think we're installed. 1 hour and 50 minutes. See, we just did an update, and now they've got some updates. It just never ends. But at least I don't have to go and do a whole new clean install. And then you have to go to Windows Update and go through the update for all the drivers and the stuff. For this screen, a lot of people would just click, they would leave it alone. Microsoft doesn't need any of this info. I'm not going to use Katana. I shut all of this off. Scroll down to make sure you got it all. Click Accept. And then the first thing, I just put in U, and it says Check for Updates, System Settings. That pops up. I'm going to have to change the battery soon, but I want to show you this part. And then I'll show you the classic shell. Yep, allow it to go. See over there it says no updates. We're going to do check for updates, and there are going to be updates in there. There will definitely be updates. Probably going to have to do this a few times. New battery. Okay, so when you go to classicshell.net, you'll click on Download Now, and then you're going to get that list of languages. Click on English. Click on Next. Accept, Next, just click Next, click Install. Now I want you to see how we've got all this stuff over here. We've got the Windows 10, all this garbage. We're going to get rid of that in a minute. There's probably something on the bottom saying click Yes to install. Let me go see. No. Oh. Start closing stuff out. Downloading cumulative net framework, and all of them have done the security update for Adobe Flash. All of them. It's just doing what it needs to do. Now there's the button. Remember I said where's the button? It's down at the bottom. I'm going to click it and it's going to say do you want to install? I hate this thing. There it is. I was looking for that before, but it wasn't in the taskbar. After this is done, then I'm going to uncheck README. I'm going to click Finish. It's already done what it needs to do, but I'm not going to. It should start up. I'm going to click on the Start button. I know you can't see it, but you're going to see something different already. Clicked on the Start button. This pops up. Windows 7 style. Okay, you have an option for classic with 2 columns or Windows 7 style. I'm going to click OK. Now we're pretty much done. It runs in the background all the time. This wants me to restart, but let me show you. I'm going to click on the start button and I want you to see what's going on. That is what's going on. Looks like Windows 7, you'd never know. I'm going to go in there and I'm going to click restart. And then we've got to do the install and get everything set up. All right, we're recording. Almost there. Click. Click the start button soon. I want to do Windows Update, so I'm clicking in the bottom left box over there. It says Windows Update Settings. That's going to come on the screen in a minute. All right, here we go. We're back to where we were before, and this is just going to go on and on and on until it doesn't go on and on and on anymore. We are 43:53. We're at about 2 hours and 43:53. 2 hours and 25 minutes or so. Thumbs up, share, like. Nobody's going to do the PayPal, so. But click on the affiliate link in the video description. That will help me out. And thanks for watching. You're up to date. That's what I wanted you to see, people. Thanks for watching the video. 43, 53, 63, 43, 53, 67, 58. So that was 2 hours and 15 minutes to do an upgrade from Windows 7 Ultimate to Windows 10 Pro. And what else can I say? I'm out of here.